So, welcome to Introduction of Finance. What is finance? Finance is the entire process of money management, which consists of investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, forecasting, capital market, and so on. In addition to that, finance is about pulling money from different sources and investing those money in the right project efficiently. Very shortly, we can say finance is about collection and utilization of money. For example, company A wants to expand its business through investing in some projects. Suppose company A has some alternatives of investment. So from these alternatives, company A must decide which one is most profitable for the company. How company will decide that the project is profitable for them? For this, company has to adapt some financial strategy. What financial strategy says? It says, what is the time value of money of this project? How is the expected return from the project? How is the riskiness of the project? Based on this, company will decide the best suitable project. Once project is selected, company now must think how much they need to invest for this project. Suppose now they need $20,000 to invest in the most suitable project. But fact is, from which sources they will collect this $20,000? Company may have their own capital, or company may borrow from external sources. This philosophy of finance, this financial strategy, the financial decision making, this investment decision making, this collection and utilization of money, all these things belong to finance. We can see the existence of finance in every area of our life, whether it is in personal life, it is in business sector, it may be also in government level. Every area of our life, we will get the existence of finance. Without finance, we cannot do any financial activities efficiently. Finance can be categorized in three forms. The first one is personal finance. The next one is public finance. The another one is corporate finance. Apparently, personal finance is an individual financial plan, financial strategy for the person current and future needs fulfillment within financial constraints. For example, a family earns $5,000 in a month. At the beginning of the month, they have to make some budgetary plan. They have to make some financial plan for their entire monthly income. They have to think how much from this 5,000 they will keep for medical and insurance, how much they will keep for house rent, how much they will keep for children education, how much they will keep for retirement plan. The whole plan belongs to personal finance. In our everyday life, in any way, we apply finance. Public finance is very broad. It is also part of economy. We can say public finance is the management of the government income and expenditure in the economy. It is the government financial strategy for financing the needs of the community. We know that every year government makes some fiscal policy, some budgetary policy to smoothly run the economy. In the budget, government discloses the sources of their income to spend for the community needs. That means what are the sources of income and what are the sources of uses of the income. Based on the sources of income and expenditure, company decide their budget deficit and surplus. If it is deficit budget, to meet the budgetary gap, to meet the budgetary deficiency, company may go for borrowings from banks, from other financial organizations. So all these plans only for running the economy. And these are all belong to public finance. Corporate finance is mainly used in the corporations for managing their short-term and long-term financial planning. It is about implementation of financial strategy in order to maximize the firm's value. Every firm goal is to maximize the firm's value or shareholders' value. In addition to that, corporate finance deals with sources of funding, capital structure of the firm, capital budgeting, working capital management, and investment decision. Very shortly, we can say to run a corporation very smoothly, to run a business operation, to make long-term plan efficiently, every corporation adopts corporate finance for managing their activities.